مرحبا أهلا وسهلا بكم. Welcome again to our Gateway to Arabic channel with me, Dr. Imran Hamza Alawiye. In today's lesson, we're continuing our journey to learn how to read and write the Arabic script easily and efficiently using one of my books, Gateway to Arabic Book 1, which you can get from our website, gatewaytoarabic.com. Now, in the first lesson, we have covered 7 letters already. Okay, and they are, if you can remember, Alif, and then we have a Hamza as well, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha. Okay, and today we are going to learn another 6 letters. Let's dive in. Let's start with dhal. Dhal. Look at the arrow. Look at the way we are putting this dhal on top of the line. No part of dhal going below the line at all. Dhal. Okay. The second letter for today is dhal. Dhal. You may notice it's the same shape as dhal, but dhal is carrying 1 dot on top. So we have dhal, 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 dhal. Now let me show you, demonstrate for you. You see me now writing dhal and dhal. Look at my hands movement. So you know, we write Arabic from right to left across the page. Look at me now writing letter dhal and dhal for you. Here we go. Letter dhal, let's trace the shape. So you can see I'm following the arrow. Here we go. One more time. Look at the direction of my hands movement. Letter dhal is in place. Very easy thing to do. Let me write it for you now. Yep. Let's go. Steady, steady. Here we go. And stop right there. Letter dhal. We're staying above the line. The next letter, dhal, is the same as letter dhal, except we have 1 dot on top. One more time. Do the shape first, then place the dot on top. I write that for you as well. Letter dhal. We're doing the shape first, stay on the line, and then dots on top. Dhal, dhal. Well done. Now, we've done 2 already, dhal and dhal. Now, let's move to the third one, and it's called ra. Ra. Look at the arrow, and you notice that a part of that letter ra is above the line, and the rest is below the line. Ra. And the next one is za, of the same shape, za. But za is with 1 dot on top. Ra, no dot. Za, 1 dot on top. Ra, za. Again, watch me now demonstrating how to formulate these 2 letters. Ra, za. Here we go. Letter ra, you can see most of it is below the line. You try your best, start from top just above the line and then drop the rest below the line. Letter ra. I'm going to write that for you now. Here we go. Start from top and then drop most of it below the line. Letter Ra. The next letter, Z, is the same in shape as letter Ra. Here we go. Drop most of it below the line and then dot on top. One more time. The shape is in place and then the dot on top. Write that for you as well. The shape first. Here we go. It's identical to Ra, except now dots on top. Ra, Z. Now, we have 4 letters already in the bag for today. Dhal, Dhal, Ra, Z. 2 more to go. And they are sheen. Sheen. Smile. Sheen. 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 It's like number 3 really, looking up and then big loop tail as well. Sheen. Okay. And the 6th letter for today is sheen. It's the same shape as sheen, but we have 3 dots. So sheen, no dots. Sheen, 3 dots. Sheen, sheen. Sheen, sheen. Yes, sheen. Sheen, sheen. Now I'm going to show you again. Demonstrate how to write sheen and sheen. Watch me and follow the arrow. Look at the hand movements, please. Let's go. Here we are. Letter sheen. Let's trace that as well. It's a very simple thing to do. Here we go. Look at the way I'm going round. Yes, and then drop it below the line. Come back and stop. Here we go one more time. Letter sheen. Simple. Below the line, back up, stop. Now, let me write it for you now. Okay, here we go. Count. 1, top, up, down, again, and then big loop below the line. Back up, 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 stop. Here we go. Letter sheen. The next letter is the same in shape as letter sheen. Here we go. The same hand movement. Look below, back up, stop. And then apply 3 dots on top. One more time. Letter sheen. Do the shape first and then apply the dots. 1, 2, and the 3rd dots. Sheen. Let me write this for you as well. Here we go. I'm going up, down again, up, and a big loop below the line and back up and stop. Then apply the 3 dots on top. Letter sheen. Well done. So we have done another 6 letters in today's lesson. Now, add those 6 to the previous 7 letters. Now we have how many? 13 letters so far. Can you remember them? Let's try. Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha. Jim, Ha, Kha. Dal, Dhal, Ra, Za, Sin, Sheen. Well done. You see, we are making a rapid progress indeed, learning the names of these letters and how to write them correctly as well. ألف با تا ثا جيم حا خا دال ذال را زا سين شين. Well done. Well done. Thank you for following this series. Thank you so much. And please subscribe before you go. And send the link for me for those who may derive some benefit from our channel. Please do so. And please don't forget to support my charity, Helping Hands for Education.org. There's a link below. Please click and make donation. Thank you so much for those who have done so. I'm very grateful. Shukran jazilan. Jazakumullahu khairan. Ahsanallahu ilaykum. Wa adkhala surura ila qulubikum. Ma'a salama. Ila liqa. Fi amanillah.